load of laundry costs to wash in Northern California? You may wonder. You know what? I am kind of surprised. The only thing good about it is the snacks. I'm accompanying my sister-in-law who's had some severe health challenges to the laundromat. I never knew it was so much money to wash a load of clothes. Fortunately, the dryer is free. So I'm going to show you how much it costs. It costs $8 US. Look at that. Look, there's my hand, okay? You know, that's not much room. $8. I guess we need to be grateful and practice gratitude for the things we do have and keep praying for the things we want. Blessings.